Hey, what's up folks? In this video, we're taking a look at Adafruit's Clue dev board. This features the same shape and size like the BBC Microbit, so it'll work with existing add-ons. Adafruit's Clue has a 1.3-inch IPS display so you can make projects with text and graphics. It's packed with tons of sensors like an accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, pressure, temperature, and much more. It features the nRF52840 with a Cortex-M4 processor and 2 MB of internal flash. It also has a PDM microphone, speaker, NeoPixel, and a stemma connector so you can plug and play even more sensors. With Bluetooth, you can make wireless projects that control your BLE devices. For example, you can control your phone using Apple's music service to play, pause, and even change the volume. With Adafruit CircuitPython, you can make cool projects using Adafruit's libraries and demo code. The Learn Guide has all the documentation you need and examples so you can quickly get your projects up and running. With CircuitPython, your code and libraries live on the board like a USB drive so you can access your code on any computer. This makes development really fast because you don't have to compile the code so you can see your updates almost instantly. So get a clue and start learning how to sense the world around you.